Hi, Toby here from Sam Machinery. We've got a 9-ton e-spreader set up here. I'm just going to show you how it couldn't be more simple. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got our 3/4 inch dump. We've got a spinner 1/2 inch and we've got a floor 1/2 inch. You want to put 43 litres through the spinners and about 10 to 20 litres through your floor. The only other attachment to the tractor is one power line for the e-spreader. And let's go have a look in the cab. So setup in the cab is super simple. We have a suction cup for the screen. There is a hard mount option if your customer prefers it. So you just suction cup that on. There's a 1 3-pin Euro plug, and then there's a connection back to the actual machine, and that's it. It'll power on and you'll be greeted with this. So once you power the screen on, the load cells will reset themselves. You can see here you've got a hectare counter. As you fill up your bin, your hectares will increase depending on what you're spreading. So this one's set for SOA at 150 kgs per hectare is the target rate. Shows your actual there, we're not moving at the moment, so that's on 0. You've got your forward speed and your hectares that you've covered and spread. You've got your door height showing there, and you can drive the door up and down from the screen. On this side you've got your mat status, so that's the RPM of your main floor, and as you speed up and slow down, you'll notice that speed up and slow down automatically. You've got your spread width, which on this machine you can change on the fly, and you've got your border control, and that cuts your right hand spinner down by approximately 50%. There is a cleaning and unload option which you would open the door for, and that's called unload. Otherwise you're spreading this product all the time. When you toggle your toggle switch, that's active spreading going on there of SOA at a target rate of 150. If you've set your hydraulics going, this machine will be spreading. When you get to your headlands, you can use the toggle switch to toggle off. You just leave your hydraulics exactly where they are the whole time. When you come out of your headlands, you can just toggle on again and it will spread away. To change your product or to calibrate your product, you can go into these two options. The product is labelled at the top here, and all of your settings for that particular product that you used last time. You can automatically close the door. You'll see it coming down automatically to go between paddocks. And when you get to your paddock that you want to spread, you can automatically open it and it will go to where the saved door height is. So that's just going to open up to roughly 51. You can go back down if you want, but because the machine knows where the door is, it will do it all for you. So with the products, if you want to change your product, you just come into products and you can scroll across. So we've preset lime and super and urea in there, but this is essentially what they would have been set at last time you used them. So you're 90% closer to getting everything accurate right from the start. To calibrate a product, you come into calibrate, and when you're stationary and stopped, preferably on level ground, you can start your calibrate procedure, and the machine will measure how much you're losing and count up your hectares that you're covering dynamically and show you what your actual rate you're losing dynamically here. At some point after a few hundred meters or a hectare or 5 hectares, you can pull up and stop, and it will tell you what you've lost per hectare and calibrate that product with 2 clicks, a start and a stop. It's as simple as that.